super kapal ng fogs. Super duper kapal ng fogs. So, kailangan extra careful and watch out. Okay? Because the mountains are just beside, in front, and at the back of us. Huh? Oh. The fogs here are just like rain. Rain, rain. Go away. So dito pala na place merong ano dance, itong super nagpa-foggy pag morning. Oo. Imbis na doon tayo sa tuktok nung ano, sama yun sa Bicol, pero hindi nagpa-foggy doon dance, no? Walang fogs. Dito talaga ang super fogs. So extra careful.